ए राज्य रे आपण देखुथिबे आदिवासी मुख्यमंत्री एवं ओडिशा रे हमर महामहिम राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू मध्य अछंती। आपण देखिथिबे राज्य रे अवहेलित एवं ए राज्य रे तांकू प्रतारित करा जाउची आदिवासी मानक सब जिल्ला रे देखिबे किबरी भाबरे बीजेपी रे लुटिवा सरकार किबरी भाबरे खणी पानी जंगल जमी किबरी भाबरे लुटिबे तांका प्रयास जारी रही। आपण देखुथिबे एबे केउंझर जिल्लार पाटना निर्वाचन मंडल गोटे 12टी गाँ एवं 2टी पंचायत सरकार जेएसडब्ल्यू एवं पोस्को को देदेवाक बसुंच सेठी जो ग्रामवासी अच्छा 25-30 जन को मिथ्या केस रे पुराई दि जाऊँ। केउंझर जिला विभिन्न जिले आप देखुए जंगल जमी नवा सरकार ए सरकार बीजेपी सरकार पूरा प्रयास जारी रखिंट। आमे सरकार को चेतई देवाक चाहूँ लोकों को जंगल जमी जदि इंचे भी जदि सरकार और जेएसडब्ल्यू एवं पोस्को को दिया जाए युव कांग्रेस चेतावनी दौची मुख्यमंत्री की एवं मुख्यमंत्री का जिला ये केउंझर जिला तांको चेतावनी दौचु ता तो निवृत्त रुहंतु। जदि जंगल जमी लोक मानकर दिया जाए युव कांग्रेस आगामी दिन में आदिवासी लोकों को सब एकाठी करी मुख्यमंत्री बासभवन घेराव करा। मु कहवाक चाहे मुख्यमंत्री की जो गाँ लोकों को कंपानी माध्यम को टेकी देवाक चाहूँ जो जगह को ताके आमे बर्दाश्त करू नहीं एवं युव कांग्रेस सदाबेले आदिवासी लोकों संगे अच्छी एवं आगामी दिन रहिबो।
सबुज जे बड़े घाट सबुज अधिक अर्थबस प्रकाश होती से सबुज अधिक आदिवासी माना जे अत्याचार करते आपण देखिथिबे सेही केउझर जिल्ला लोक जाई हम तमिलनाडु रे दादर कटिटी डेडबडी आई ओडिसा फेरितो तो आपण जानिथिबे केते लोक ना खलदान करछथि ओडिसा वासी खलदान कर चिंता करिना ता पूर्व सरकार के सरकार केवल निजर स्वार्थ अर्थ लुटिया पाई गरीब आदिवासी मान पेट को लाग मारत किंतु आदिवासी निष्पत्ति नहीं करते रक्त देबु जीवन देबु जमी खड़े देबु नहीं जदी खड़े जमी नहीं देबे आदि कांग्रेस दल ता सहयोग करिबो नहीं ता समर्थ दे राजनीति लड़े।
Where the steel planting it not going to be benefited to the people who've been located in the surrounding. 1465 acres of the land been occupied in the panchayat. Already 99 acres of the land is already been allocated to JSW and POSCO for the steel plantation. It may destroy the water levels and also it may destroy the agricultural lands. I am not sure why people of the BJP is troubling the tribals there. 70% of the people located in the panchayat are tribal peoples and also the rest of the people are from the scheduled caste and backward class community. Just imagine their dependency is only on the agriculture. 15,000 people have been located over there and they are facing issues. Lots of memorandums was being given to the Mohan Maji but still is not been recognized and sorted out the issues. Where Odisha is a greenery state, they are planning to destroy this and that is why already our Rahul Gandhi ji, Manish Sharma ji or Uday Banu ji is like fighting for their rights. But still, this double engine government is planning to destroy the people's peace and the people's environment. I don't know why these people are not concerned about the issues which is ongoing for the people. Their main dependency is in agriculture. They are planning to destroy that, and also more than 3,000 people has already protested against this and gave the memorandums to the chief minister. Still that not been taken for the consideration. That was also a problematic issue, because so much of problems been going through by the people, by the citizens, but they are not being taken for the consideration. They've been police complained and lathi charge was being done to them. They've been jailed. But today the Youth Congress, Odisha Youth Congress, youths won't be silent for this ongoing issue. We will be fighting against this double engine Sarkar. We will be raising our voice for the people. We will be raising voice for the voiceless people. We will be raising our voice for the tribals today. And we will bring the justice. That is why we have gathered here in few days, if this is not going to stop. As an Odisha Youth Congress, we are ready to go inside the Chief Minister's house and we are fighting against them. Today, Rahul Gandhi is fighting for the people's rights and Odisha's greenery environment. We shall all be standing next to him and voicing out these issues. Thank you.